What's up, I'm your host, Jake Goldstein, and welcome to How to Nature. Alright, so judging by the sun, I think today is Tuesday, July 29th, and I think I've been here for about 15 days or so. I haven't eaten in about 2 days, and I haven't seen anyone since the plane crash, and I just don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. Hey man, trying to film. All right, so I think we're gonna go on the hunt for some water now. I haven't drank anything. I'm so thirsty. Is there a problem? Water on set. Okay, so I found some water, and it's... Fuck, Jesus. We should cut that. Just stop. Paramedic. Oh my God. Let me see. Hey, so I found it. Guys, cut. Okay. Try again. Try again. All right, ready? All right, we're good? Yeah, wait. Rolling? Yeah, wait. Okay, wait. Now, yeah. Okay, good. Okay, cool. I found an Indian tribe, and they cured what I thought was water in my eyes. Ended up being rubbing alcohol. I don't know how there was rubbing alcohol in the jungle, but that happens, and I can't see, so I don't really know where the camera is, to be honest. But so I climbed up this tree. I was being chased by a cougar. I think I'm about 80 feet above the ground. It took me at least 5 minutes to climb up this tree. Yeah. Alright guys, so since this is How to Nature, I'm going to teach you guys how to start a fire. So what you do is take the two and just... This isn't... I've never done this before. So. Now we're going to learn how to hunt. You get a rock, some stick, and adhesive. Ow! Yo, what's going on? Dude, we're done. They cut all the funds. Why? I can't believe this happened. Why? What do we do? We lost. Apparently we don't sell the fact that we rented this shitty equipment. So are they gonna take my camera and stuff? They said if we don't clear out in like 15 minutes, they're taking everything that we have.